Includes BioSilk Silk Therapy Shampoo 12 ounces, Silk Therapy Conditioner 12 ounces. Ideal for all hair types. Silk proteins penetrate hair to condition and create incredible shine. Weightless, leave-in silk replenishing and reconstructing treatment to repair, smooth and protect hair. BioSilk Silk Therapy Shampoo with botanical extracts and herbs gently cleanses hair and removes build-up while leaving hair healthy and manageable. Silk proteins penetrate hair to condition and create incredible shine. Ideal for all hair types. BioSilk Silk Therapy Conditioner is a conditioner with botanical extracts and herbs that replenishes moisture. Silk proteins penetrate hair to condition and create incredible shine. UV filters protect hair from damaging UVB rays. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome shampoo and conditioner. My granddaughters have thick, long hair. Washing hair was a nightmare, until I found this product. This product has made everything easy. I have a lot of hair, but it's extremely fine. Works for me as well.